What if we are not alone? Across science, philosophy, and ancient history, there are theories that point to one disturbing possibility. That is it, we are being watched, guided, or even controlled, not by one civilization, but possibly many. Some hidden, some ancient, some beyond reality itself. Today, we explore 5 of the most shocking alien theories ever proposed, and by the end, you may not see reality the same way again. For decades, humanity has searched the stars, listening for signals, sending messages into the void. But the universe remains silent, and maybe that silence isn't empty. Maybe it is intentional. The zoo hypothesis suggests something unsettling, that advanced alien civilizations already know we exist, have chosen not to contact us. Not because they cannot, but because they will not. Imagine Earth, not as a free world, but as a controlled enclosure, a place where humanity is observed from a distance. Every war, every invention, every moment of progress, seen, recorded, analyzed, like animals in a cosmic zoo, unaware that something far beyond us is watching. But why remain hidden? Perhaps direct contact would disrupt everything. Our evolution, our beliefs, our reality itself. Or maybe we are not advanced enough to be acknowledged. So they wait, observing, studying, until the moment we are either ready or no longer relevant, because they are not missing, they are hiding from us. Long before satellites, before modern science, humanity built structures that still defy explanation. The pyramids of Egypt, Stonehenge, ancient temples across the world, massive structures built with impossible precision. Even today, we struggle to replicate them. So how did ancient civilizations achieve this? The ancient alien architects theory suggests we didn't do it alone. Something arrived on Earth, beings far more advanced than us, not conquerors, but teachers. They may have guided early humans, sharing knowledge of mathematics, astronomy, and construction. Across the world, we see the same patterns. Structures aligned with stars, symbols that appear too advanced for their time. Coincidence? Or evidence of guidance? And then, just as suddenly as they appeared, they vanished, leaving behind monuments and unanswered questions. What if civilization was not fully built by us? What if it was given to us? But what if the truth goes even deeper? What if reality itself is not real? What if everything you see, everything you feel, even your thoughts, are part of a constructed system? The simulation theory suggests exactly that our universe is artificial designed, not evolved, a reality built by intelligence far beyond human understanding. In this theory, space is not infinite, time is not absolute, and matter is not truly physical. Everything is code, a vast, complex system of rules, running beneath reality. And if that is true, then someone is running it, watching it, adjusting it, not from inside the universe, but from outside it entirely. What we call physics may simply be programming. and glitches in reality, déjà vu, unexplainable coincidences. Reality-breaking moments may not be accidents, they may be errors in the system, or signs that something is changing the code. Because if this is a simulation, then we are not discovering reality, we are inside it. The universe is vast, billions of galaxies, trillions of planets, and yet it is silent. No signals, no messages, no contact. But what if that silence is not emptiness but fear? The dark forest. Theory suggests the universe is like a dark forest at night. Every civilization is a hunter moving silently through the trees, careful, hidden, because revealing your location means risk. In this universe, survival is not about communication, it is about silence. Because if you are heard, you may be found, and if you are found, you may be destroyed. Not all civilizations are peaceful. Some may be ancient, some may be advanced beyond imagination. So every signal sent into space, every attempt to say we exist, could be the final mistake of a civilization. Because something out there might already be listening, waiting, and when it finds you, it does not respond, it eliminates. So maybe the reason we hear nothing is not because the universe is empty, but because everyone is hiding. But what if the truth is not in the stars, but right here? What if they are already among us, not arriving in ships, not appearing from the sky, but living quietly among humanity, blending in perfectly, impossible to distinguish? At first glance, they look human. They speak like us, move like us, live like us. But sometimes, something feels off. A stare that lasts too long, a movement that feels unnatural, a moment that doesn't feel human. And then it's gone. Because if they exist, they are careful, very careful. Some believe they are observers, studying human behavior. Others believe they are influencing events, quietly shaping civilization from within. But if even a fraction of this is true, then the question is no longer, are we alone? It becomes something far more unsettling. Who among us is not human? 5 theories, 5 different explanations, but all pointing towards the same possibility, that reality is not as simple as it seems. We may be observed, we may be created, we may be simulated, we may be hunted, or we may already be living among something. And maybe all of these theories are not separate ideas, but pieces of the same truth. A truth too large, too complex, too distant for us to fully understand.